Welcome to the Relevic dashboard. In this video, we will show you how Relevic works. Once signed up, you will begin your journey in the Get Started section, where creating personalized experiences takes just 5 simple steps. Start by adding your website name, installing and verifying the Relevic script, creating your personalized page, followed by launching your very first campaign. Let's dive into the remaining platform and explain what's what. After Get Started, we have the Website section. Here, you can manage all of your website domains with ease. You'll notice we've given you a demo site here to play with as well. The Campaigns section houses the personalization and A/B testing ideas you'd have. For instance, you can create a Black Friday campaign offering discounts, or set up a campaign for first-time visitors, and so on. Let's have a look at one of the campaigns we've already set up. Welcome to Relevic's Campaign Canvas. Here at the center of the screen, you'll notice the campaign card. This can be used to set the start and end date of your campaign. On the left side, you can assign audience filters and then drop a personalized page underneath it. Once your decision tree looks perfect, you can go ahead and click Go Live. Now, let's go back and have a look at personalized pages now. This is where you design, edit, and preview the content of your web pages using Relevic's code-free visual editor. There's a demo page here too, which works great as a playground to test out ideas. Let's jump into it briefly. Relevic's editor works as a point-and-click tool, letting you instantly select any element and make changes right on the spot. And this can be basic edits like changing headlines, CTAs to more advanced UI changes like adding a form. This is a really powerful space with plenty more to explore and customize. But for now, let's jump back into the dashboard and make our way over to Forms. Use Forms for a wide variety of reasons, including lead generation or newsletter signups. Every submission is recorded here, with the option to easily export data whenever needed. Now let's dive into the Analytics section. In the Basic tab, you can find out how your campaigns are performing and keep track of the number of visitors, clicks, and other core metrics. This will let you analyze what's bringing you success and what isn't. Heatmaps enable you to monitor the engagement levels of your pages. You can see where people are clicking on the page and how far they've scrolled. This gives you insights into how visitors are interacting with your page. You can then use Relevic's editor to refocus your page for the desired goal. In this section, you can set up your marketing goals and watch their progression in real time. In the Configuration section, you can set your cookie and data privacy policy and handle integrations. Lastly, right at the bottom, under Settings, you can manage your billing, read detailed how-to articles in Relevic's help desk, and manage your workspaces. So that's a wrap. Feel free to explore the Relevic dashboard and start turning visits into results today. It's really that simple.